What are you doing, Mr. 1 Point? You know it's hunting season. You're lucky I'm not a hunter. That's right. Move along. Move along. Hey, good morning, everybody. Chuck, out in the greenhouse again. Just wanted to give you a quick update as to what's going on. We just came through the cyclone bomb, or the bomb cyclone, and wanted to show you around the greenhouse and show you what happened. We had winds upwards of 60 miles an hour coming through here. We lost power for about 12 hours. But the greenhouse, the Gothic arch itself, no damage. Nothing. Not even a little bit. It's holding up just fine. There's no issues. So I gotta say, these Gothic arch designs, for wind, especially for wind, they seem to really hold up well to the wind. Last year we had some snow. We haven't really gone through a heavy snow yet, so interesting to see what'll happen there. But the wind itself, yeah, wind, not an issue. All right.